Bonjour, je m'appelle Sniti, je suis ton professeur de français et aujourd'hui nous apprenons les solutions de cahier d'exercice. Well, today we are going to start with the part 2 of Workbook solutions of lesson 2, which is leçon de comptons ensemble. Today we are going to start with the question number 5, that is retrouver les nombres, that means retrieve the number. In this question, we need to find the numbers from the crossword puzzle and write them down in the space that is given below. Do remember, you can find more than 4 or 5 numbers and it totally depends on you which one you want to write. The first one that we can find is this, which is 10, and the next is naf, which is 9. We can write both of them, which is this and naf. Then we have is 20, 20 means 20. The next word that we have is quatre, quatre means 4. Then we have is quinze, quinze means 15. So now let us move on to the question number 6, that is, vous savez prononcer les lettres, that means, can you pronounce the letters? So this is an oral exercise. As you know, we have completed and covered it out in the textbook of lesson 2. That is, we learned about how to pronounce the French alphabets. They are the same as the English one, just their pronunciation is different. And well, here I have given you a grid related to the same. Today I am only going to read the French pronunciations. First we have is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now let us move on to the question number 7. In this, let us first recall the French accent as it is related to them only. So in total, there are 5 French accents which we learned in the lesson number 2, comptons ensemble, and the accents are accent aigu, accent grave, accent circonflexe, accent sadi, accent tréma. It is given, the examples are also given along with the symbols. So first let us read the question, that is, mettez les accents appropriés, that means put the appropriate accent. So in this, the spelling is given to us and we need to put the appropriate accent. The first one that we have is tête. Tête means head. So in this, accent circonflexe was missing. If we see to the second one, that is français. Français means French. So in this, accent sadi was missing in the sea, under the sea. So the third one is Noël. Noël means Christmas. In this, accent tréma was missing. And if we see to bébé, that means baby. So in this, the accent aigu was missing. Now if we see to the fifth one, that is mère. Mère means mother. So in that, the accent grave was missing. So here we are at the question number 8, that is compléter en utilisant les autocollants. That means complete using the stickers. So in this question, we need to paste the stickers from the back of our book related to the subject pronoun to the correct match. If we see to the first one, then here we can see a group of 2 girls. Well, we would refer to them as they, which is elles. Else. Then we have is the second one, that is, here we can see a boy, we would refer it as he, which is ill. And then we have the third image in which we can see 2 boys that are standing. We would say they, that means ills. So what is the difference between ills and else? Well, else is for feminine and ills is for masculine. Then we can see the fourth image in which a person is pointing to himself. Well, in his perspective, that would be je, that means I. And in the fifth one, a person is pointing to a group of people talking. Well, if we see from his way of speaking, it would be you, that means vous. It is in plural. So now let us move on to the question number 9, that is, dites vrai ou faux. That means tell if it's true or false. So the first one here we can find is il faut aller à l'école. That means he must go to school or you must go to school. Well, it is true, we must go to school, vrai. Then we have the second one, that is j'aime ma famille. I love my family. Well, everyone does. So for that way, it is vrai. That means True. And if we see to the third one, then that is les enfants ne jouent pas le soir. That means the children do not play in the evening. Well, is that true? No, it is not. So, false. So now that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.